Welcome back, my green loving community, and what a day it is. Today I want to talk about that group of plants that can help you spread that green love throughout your space, and that is the air plant. So here are some tips on how to care for it. Oh, the wonderful air plant. Contrary to popular belief, the air plant cannot survive on air alone. These tropical tree-hugging beauties pull moisture from the air in the humid climates they come from, but in your home, obviously, they'll need a little bit more love. When it comes to light, I try to think about how these plants thrive in the wild. Air plants grow on trees under blankets of foliage, so bright and direct light, dappled light, filtered light is probably the best thing for them. There's only a few air plants that can survive in direct sun, so I suggest just put all of your air plants in bright and direct light. They'll thrive best that way. Getting back to moisture, they need to be soaked and misted with lukewarm water at least once or twice a week. In the warmer months, this could be even more often. Remember, they come from humid climates, so recreating that environment is of importance. After I let them soak for 5 minutes, I take them out and place them on a flat surface or drying rack, cup side down so that the water left inside the cup of the air plant can properly drain out. Not allowing this to happen will cause the plant to rot at its base, and eventually your plant will fall apart. Most air plants, when given the right amount of care, will produce little baby offshoots that can be separated from the mother plant once that baby is 1/3 the size of the mother. But feel free to just let them grow on together, side by side. What's great about these little buds is that you can get creative with how you display them. In our home, any and everything can become an air plant holder. We have them in little baskets in the window, and a large wooden cat head on the coffee table, and even created a small air plant hammock for them to just chill in. So whatever you do, make sure you just get crazy with it. So yeah, that's how you're going to care for those lovely air plants. Now, while they're not toxic to pets, I'd watch out for your cats. They like to, bat them around a bit. So I hope this helps. Have fun.